Hi, my name is Jennifer Woods. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I completed my undergrad at the University of Arizona. I have experience substitute teaching, and I did take on a long-term substitute job in a sixth grade math class. My current teaching assignment is 11th grade Algebra 2 at Helix Charter High School. Um, and a brief statement for my reason joining the teaching profession is I have wanted to be a teacher since I was 5. That was always a dream of mine. I loved to play teacher with all my friends and my sister. And I went through a lot in high school. So I would also like to make a difference in other students' lives. And lastly, I love math. So I get to combine a subject I really like and teach it. And the last reason is because I did struggle a lot in school. I am dyslexic. And I would like to help other students who struggle in subjects because I feel like I learned a lot from struggling with dyslexia. So that's about me.